Are you looking for a bright future and career just out of high school? Do you like working with your hands, building projects, and making money? Put all of those together, and you might find yourself ready for a career in manufacturing as an industrial welder. Whether you start your training on the job with an apprenticeship or through a trade school, industrial welding offers competitive wages and job security. Skip the 4-year degree and begin learning and earning on the job.
Welding is a skill set that takes a lot of practice to learn, but it is a necessary skill set, I believe anyways, for the world and for industry.
As an industrial welder, you'll work either in a shop or out in the field, crafting quality metal components in all shapes and sizes. Improving your skills will translate to advancing your career and your earning potential.
Welding to me is a way to help provide for my family and grow more of a skill set and understand how things actually get put together.
There are multiple fields you can specialize in: MIG, TIG, and stick welding, as well as specialty cutting, soldering, and brazing. If you love building projects, working with your hands, and earning a competitive paycheck, you can shape your future with a career in manufacturing as a welder.
My name is Zane, and I am a welder.
Learn more about this career opportunity at forgingfuturesidaho.org. This message has been brought to you by Forging Futures Idaho, an Idaho Manufacturing Alliance initiative.